First application is volume. So the formula for volume is triple integral 1 dV. Okay, so G is the region. Solid region. So look at example 1. Limits are not directly given. Okay, in 3A and 3B, you see, for 3A, we have x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0, 3x plus 6y plus z equal to 6. So from here, you can imagine that the limit, okay, x is from 0 until what, okay? And y equal to 0 until what value? And also z start from 0 until what value? So it depends on your types, okay? Okay, first, let us start to sketch the graph. We have x0, y0, z0. So we have 3x plus 6y plus z equal to 6. If we want to sketch xy plane, we have to let z equal to 0. Then we will get 3x plus 6y equal to 6. Let x equal to 0, you get y1. Let y equal to 0, you get x equal to 2. So xy plane. Okay, now when x0, y equal to 1. So here, when y equal to 0, x equal to 2. So we will get this line. So this is straight line. Okay, you get this. And then how about xz plane? Y0. Okay, we let y equal to 0. So we get 3x plus z equal to 6. When x0, z6. When z0, x2. So xz plane. So this one. After that, yz plane. So let x equal to 0. So we get 6y plus z equal to 6. When y0, z equal to 6. When z equal to 0, y equal to 1. So this one is yz plane. So you get this. Okay, now the question also said that x equal to 0. So where is x equal to 0? X equal to 0 is here. Okay, and then y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 is here. And then z equal to 0 is here. So now you choose which type you want. Okay, let's say I want to choose for dz dx dy. So volume equal to triple integral 1 dz dx dy. So what I will do is I will sketch xy region. Okay, let us see. We have 3x plus 6y plus z. So we let z equal to 0. We will get 3x plus 6y equal to 6. And then we sketch y, x. Okay, when y equal to 0, we will get 2. When x equal to 0, we will get 1. So this is our graph. So this is the region of xy plane. Okay, next. We can get the limit. Okay, what is limit for y? So y is a base. So y is 0 to 1. Okay, and then x. So x, we start from here. X equal to 0 until x equal to what? So 3x equal to 6 minus 6y. So x equal to 2 minus 2y. So x is from 0 to 2 minus 2y. And then how about z? So z, we have to refer the 3D. Okay, so z equal to 0 until what? So 6 minus 3x minus 6y. And then dz dx dy. Then you can solve. Okay, now we look at this equation. So we want to integrate 1 dz dx dy. First, as usual, we integrate dz. 1 dz. So integrate 1 dz, we will get z. So substitute the limit. 6 minus 3x minus 6y into z, and then 0. So you will get 6 minus 3x minus 6y dx dy. Okay, next you have to integrate 6 minus 3x minus dy with respect to x. Okay, so we have 6 here. So we have 6, so we get 6x, and then we have 3x, so 3x squared divided by 2, and then we have minus 6y, so this is constant, so we will get 6xy. Alright, and then you substitute the value of 2 minus 2y and 0 into x, then you will get this one. You simplify, then you will get 6 minus 12y plus 6y squared. Okay, then last, you have to integrate with respect to y. So what you get? 6y minus 6y squared plus 2y cubed from 0 to 1. Then substitute the value 1 and 0. So you will get 6 minus 6 plus 2 equal to 2. This is the final answer. So let us see 3b. Okay, z equal to y squared, z equal to 0. X equal to 0, x equal to 1, y equal to negative 1, y equal to 1. So from here, actually class, we can know the limit. Okay, you can see that z from y squared, and then, so we can see that z start from 0 until y squared, and then x start from 0 until 1, and then y start from negative 1 to y. Okay, so let us see how. Okay, let's say I choose dz dx dy. So let us look at what is the limit for y. Okay, so actually from the question you can know y is from negative 1 to 1. Okay, so we get negative 1 to 1. And how about x? Okay, x from 0 to 1. Okay, when you sketch the region xy plane, you can get the rectangle. Okay, so that's why we get constant. And then how about dz? So z start from 0 until y squared. Okay, when we sketch the 3D, we get y equal to 0 until z equal to y squared. So actually class, from this question, you can get the limit. Okay, you can sketch so that you can show your method. So let us solve. Integrate 1 dz, we will get z, okay, from 0 to y squared, and then you substitute the value, you will get y squared dx dy. And then integrate y squared with respect to x. What we get? xy squared. Okay, because y is a constant now. So y squared is constant. So you get y squared x from 0 to 1. So substitute the value 0 and 1. So you get y squared dy. Then last, you integrate y squared. You will get y cubed over 3 from negative 1 to 1. Okay, then substitute the value. Substitute 1. Okay, you get 1 over 3. Substitute negative 1. So you get negative 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 minus negative 1 over 3, we get 2 over 3.